bitin ang tulog ni Oma dahil because of this too. Bego pa, bego pa. Empty na. Oh, bego pa, Max boy. I need to feed my 2 babies right now. Chigum, chigum. Feeding time. What food? Okay, so I'm going to wash the plates. Plates? It's not plate, actually. System. Wash, 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 wash. Ilang alis mo yung okay guys, so for sure naghihintay na yung dalawa sa room. So, let's go! Okay guys, so I'm feeding my cat with this wet food from Felix from Purina. So this video is not sponsored, so I just choose this food because they're favorites, my cat's favorite. So, let's feed them na. Ayan, so kaya nga lang sinabi ko, my cats are so sensitive, like they don't want any dirt on their plate. I don't know what they called it, but for me, I call it plate because for me, they are my babies. So I'm giving them, oh my god, the smell. See, ayan, di na makapaghintay. Hindi na siya makapaghintay. Tapos gusto nila yung dinudurog-durog ko sila. So for 1 pouch, I'm giving them like sa kanila lang dalawa itong isang pouch kasi minsan di naman nila nauubos, so yun. So napon aywa. Okay, this is for my baby Misty and this is for Maxty. Okay, good girl, good girl. Okay. So, this is like a contest. Inabos niya lang yung jelly, but Misty finished it all. Because Misty eats a lot, now she's taking Max food. You finish, right? See? Very good, Misty. Tapos ka? Misty? Go, Max, go, 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 Max. So, sa kanyang dalawa, si Misty nakakaw. Pero hindi naman. And because Kuya Max is so mabait, he left Misty alone now, finishing his food. What are you doing, Mamax? You're gonna drink water? Because Misty finished your food na, Mamax. Max? Come here. Max! Max, come here. I love you. Oh, you're so kind. Wow! Perfect! Wow! Perfect! Simot! Yeah! That means they really love their food. Nabusog ka? Hello? Misty? No, thank you for Mama. Nabusog ka, Mamax? Nabusog ka? So, ayan guys, just finished feeding them. So, that's my vlog for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Follow our page for more videos of me and Babs and with our fur babies. Bye! See you next time.